I'm so nervous starting this video because it's been so long since I've given you guys a video, and I know, man, going from being probably one of the most consistent YouTubers in South Africa to just going dead is, it's a bit of a shock for me, and I'm sure it's a shock for a lot of my subscribers, man. And like, obviously I owe you guys a huge apology, just that so much has been happening in my life that I don't even know where to even start. So let me just start, right? So I opened up a sneaker store, a sneaker marketplace, an online marketplace, man, called Soulmates, and I opened up with these 3 awesome guys, man, that have helped me grow in a business that I didn't realize that I could grow in. Like, I always just thought that this would be my space, you know what I'm trying to say, in my studio, reviewing things for you guys. Sneaker Vault, Kotini Korner, Soul Talk, you know what I'm trying to say. So that's what I thought, and I've been so busy with that, I haven't really been able to have time for content creation and YouTube, man. And for that, I really apologize, because I wouldn't have gotten to the space if it wasn't for you guys. So I owe you guys a deep and sincere apology, and I hope you guys do accept my apology for being so MIA and being such a bad host of what I do on my channel, man. But I really am excited to be back, man, and I can't wait to produce content this whole year for you guys. And I promise, man, I promise I will be making that shit. I promise you. But anyways, guys, we are back. And guys, man, welcome back to Kotini Korner. It's a Kotini Korner episode, man, and welcome back to my channel, man. If you guys are new, man, don't forget to hit the subscription button, like, comment, man, subscribe, man, tell your grannies, tell your mothers, tell your fathers, tell your grandfathers about the show and that we are back, man. And I'm really excited to be back, man, for you guys. And you know what better way to start off the year with my reviews and with my YouTube channel is unboxing a new package, man. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing the Adidas Gucci, gotta rep the brand with whatever it takes, man. And it's really exciting to be back, and it's really exciting to be back with the first brand that I will be unboxing for Kotini Korner. Will be a huge package that has been sent to me from Adidas South Africa, man. And guys, Adidas South Africa has been my guys. They pretty much launched the shit for me, man. Like, working with brands, they've been the first people to do it for me. So appreciate you guys, man. So yeah, man, let's get to opening this package. We have to have the trusty knife, father's knife, and then bam, there is the package. So apparently this package is about, I wouldn't say I was about to give measurements. I don't know why I was gonna try to give measurements anyways, but apparently this box was to start off a new sportswear collection. So this is a live unboxing, guys. I haven't seen the collection, I haven't seen what's in the box. I've just been doing me. So I'm really excited to open this box. So let's get it open, man. Where's my knife? Okay, guys, I haven't done unboxing for so long, I don't even know how to unbox a box, which is weird because that's what I do. But anyways, okay, we are almost done. I don't want you guys to see where I stay, so let me just tell me, guys, you guys haven't heard Mr. Like, you guys, trust me, you guys have missed it. So it seems like we're gonna get a sneak peek, right? It seems like we're gonna get a mixture of Kotini Korner and Sneaker Vault. So you guys are awesome. I'm saying me lucky. You guys are just dead ass lucky. So let's get it open. So let me just start with the sneakers, and then we'll get into the clothes, alright? So I'm trying to not ruin the shot. So I'm gonna look at it like this, and then hopefully I can block it. Okay, so here's the sneakers. Let me put this box down. I still haven't seen these shoes, guys, so I'm trying not to look. Okay. I managed. So like I said, this is a sportswear collection box. So as you guys can see, it's Adidas Performance everywhere. Right over here. Everywhere. Adidas Performance. I really do like this box a lot. And obviously, Adidas is all about recycling materials. So this is made part with recycled materials. And yeah, man, let me see what shoe this is. So this is a UK 10. Adidas, yes, Adidas still has my size. Work hard, guys. You'll get there. Play. So this is called the I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's called the Avron. So this is a running shoe, man. So let's just get this shoe open and let's start reviewing this bad boy and see what's popping. So, as you guys can see, you get the, what does it say? So this is also part from the Parley. I'm assuming this is from the Parley situation that Adidas do. So if you don't know what Parley is part of their whole recyclable material thing that they do over at Adidas, and it's really, really good for the environment. So if you guys ever do try to get a shoe, make sure that it's the recyclable material version of that specific shoe. So let's get it going. Ooh, these are nice, man. Ooh. These are clean, guys. These are clean. And you know the crazy thing about this, man? Let me tell you the crazy thing about these things, right? This does look like there's a 3M material on it, and it has like that. I'm not trying to even straight shoot, but this does look like there is this material over here is waterproof, because I tend to see waterproof material like this. If you guys can hear that, you know, you gotta, guys, when last did you hear that sneaker scratch? Bear in mind, when last did you hear that sneaker scratch? You know, so yeah, man, this shoe is, bro, I want to show you something really cool about the shoe that I really like. Please look at so you see where the toe tag is, not the toe tag, the back of the shoe is like a little boost material there that goes up there, which is like super cool. I've never seen that on a shoe before, so that's really, really fire. And guys, you know, for me personally, you know how much I love Boost and how much I love Adidas Boost, because it's just the most comfortable thing a shoe can ever have, TBH. So this is part of the Adiwear section. So this is a mixture of Adidas, Boost, and Bounce. So this is like a hybrid, guys. And look at that. Can you see this thing pop up here? That is awesome. Oh, that is cool, guys. It's almost like a spoiler for your heel, which is fire. So back in the day when I used to work for Adidas, when I was at varsity, they had like a lot of sections. So they had like the Bounce section, your Adi Print section, your Boost section, with your performance shoes and your workout shoes. So most of the times, the Bounce section used to just consist of ladies' footwear. So it's really, really cool to have a shoe that actually consists of all of the crazy tech that Adidas has come up with. And yeah, man, like obviously, if you guys want me to have like a much deeper description of it, like if you want me to have a full breakdown of the sneaker, are you more than welcome to do it, man. You know me and breaking down sneakers for you guys, so let me know in the comment section if you would like me to have a deeper review into this. I'm a fan of these shoes. Yeah, man, I can't wait to get this shoe on, to be honest. I think I might actually wear it tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. Like a proper will wear it tomorrow. I think we shoot an episode of Soul Talk, so that's gonna be fun. So I might just drip out in this whole thing tomorrow. So yeah, man, shout out Adidas for this, man. This is awesome, guys. And like I said, I know I'm talking about a lot about, but don't sleep on Adidas performance. Like I know Adidas Originals is like really where it's at. Like they kill it every time. Like the shit that they do is fire. But the performance section is crazy. Like the new basketball section that they've just dropped, that the Adidas Performance Basketball, crazy, man. Like the silhouettes, the colors, like Adidas is moving in. Like it's nice that they've kind of made the performance a lot more fashionable. Like even their T-Rex section where they can go outdoor and all that jazz, like they've made that shit pop, man. So big shout outs. I love the colors on this. I love the little infrared oranges, as you guys can see. Just like these cool little orange details that give it a nice little pop. Like obviously the main color of this is gray, black, and like a sail on the midsole. And then you got like a lighter gray at the back. So yeah, so those are the main colors, man. So I'm really keen to get this on for you guys. I definitely will show you guys a fit picture tomorrow on my Instagram, so don't forget to check that out. Because obviously I can't show you a fit picture in the night because I'm shooting this at night, guys. I was so excited. I was like, I have to do a live unboxing for you guys, so that's what I did, man. So let's move on to the clothes. Now what it looks like is that dude, Adidas' packaging, man, like when they really send you a gift bag package, they really do it, man. Like this is a tote bag. Like it's just telling me to wear everything. So tomorrow I'm gonna rock the totes. I'm gonna rock everything. You guys know how much I love my tote bags, man. So just to go through the bag, it says Adidas Sportswear all that you are. So this is, I'm assuming this is the hashtag for it. So this is part of the collection, man. All that you are collection, I'm assuming. So let me just see if you guys can see that what you need. So yeah, man. So let's just open up this whole entire collection and see what is what. It's very heavy, so I'm assuming that there might be a tracksuit here. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is lovely, guys. Oh, this is nice. Okay, let me do this. Let me take out everything. Man, even a bucket hat, guys. So there's a lot of things that they've given me, man. There's a hell of a lot of things. Bro. Bro. Okay, and we got some trusty socks. And trust me, Adidas socks is where it's at, by the way, guys. Just so you know, most of my socks are Adidas socks because the socks are comfortable. Even though the Climacool ones are amazing. So let's get into this jacket. So there seems to be a hell of a lot of tech that is involved with this jacket, by the way. Let me just add. And you know the crazy thing about these jackets? I remember when I was working at the store, like a lot of these jackets were coming in, and like it's just, man, like even like the, how can I even show you guys? There's like a double zip. Like this double zip is so crazy. Let me show you guys. So this double zip is, it's such a swag thing because you can literally open it like that and just let it open. So that's, it's so swag, man. So I'm trying to figure out this tech that they've used. They didn't really drop an explanation in the tote. I thought there would have been like a, oh, so introducing this new tech, just so you know. But there wasn't really that. So I'm gonna have to like hit a look, put my knowledge into it and look into what it's about. But what I can say is that like there's so many cool little pockets over here. As you guys can see, there's like a pocket inside by the chest of the jacket, and we have like, I don't know if there's like a thing for your neck, if it's like supposed to sweat. Bro, this is a lot going on with this jacket that looks so fire. And then you have like the, like this, almost like the shiny, I don't want to call it plastic because it's not plastic, but I don't know the material that it is, but the shiny 3 stripes. And then you have like this TRO, is it the TRO? What is it? T-Row. It's the colored in me almost jumped out because TRO is a hella dope colored band from Durban. So it's called the T-Row. Man, this is fire, guys. And you guys know how much I love a black tracksuit. And doesn't it look a bit cropped to you guys? That's fire. Oh, guys, I can't wait to wear this. And then they got us with the bucket hat, standard bucket hat. I love a good bucket hat. And then we got the pants. Now, the pants are always my favorite part of Adidas pants because Adidas takes so, like, dude. Guys, you know Adidas is my brand, so I'm always going to fawn over it. So, as you guys can see, let me just, by the ankle, seems like it goes wide a bit. Damn. So it opens up completely, actually. I thought it would have had like that web effect where it like goes wide and there's like an extra piece of material there that just widens the thing. But yeah, man, this is cool, guys. It's like almost being fashionable for gym, but you gotta kind of think whether you want to wear this to gym or just wear it out because it's so fire. And then you got like this cool elastic material that goes around the waistband, actually. The Tiro. Man, this is so fire, guys. I'm trying to figure out. Damn, this is clean, guys. This is super clean. I can't wait to get this on, and I can't wait to guys see me how I rock this thing tomorrow. I'm definitely taking a fit picture, guys. No, deadass. I definitely am. Like, for sure. And let me see if there's anything else inside here before we end off. No, there's nothing. So we have a full outfit, pretty much. So they gave us sneakers. They gave us a bucket hat. As you guys can see, it says Adidas Sportswear as well. So in the comment section, tell me which place should I actually wear? Should I just have the Adidas logo when I wear the bucket hat, or should I rock it with the Adidas Sportswear? You let me know, guys. But like I said, we got a tracksuit, we got a bucket hat, and we got some socks, and we got, as always, a fresh pair of shoes. And you know, it's not my channel if there's never shoes or anything. So what makes an outfit is the sneakers, and I'm so glad that we got a pair of shoes as well to rock it, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me being back, man. It's lovely to be back. And again, guys, thank you so much for the support. I've been getting so many DMs asking me when I'm bringing my ass back to YouTube, and I'm here now, guys. And thank you so much for sticking with me and being patient with me, man. And don't forget to subscribe, man. I'll be back with daily and consistent videos. I'm gonna try my ass off to get those videos to you, because there's so many shoes I still haven't reviewed for you guys that I picked up last year as well, so I still need to go through that. I did some cool thing with Ray-Bans, so I really also want to go through my Ray-Bans collection with you guys. So there's a lot of shit to get done, but man, like I said, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Joshua Dunn, Kotini Korner. I'll be signing out. Peace and love.